Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica if you are new. So, guys, I decided that I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look, and so I figured why not today, because it's crappy outside and I have nothing better else to do. And I haven't made a YouTube video in a few weeks, I think, so yeah. I kind of done something different. I wanted to work with like purple instead of pink or red, because I usually work with mostly like red, not eye looks, but lipstick looks. Anyway, so, and purple is my favorite color, so yeah, so this is what I came up with. It has a cute little like heart detail. I wanted to incorporate hearts somehow, and I can't talk. Originally, I was wanting to do like hearts, like cut crease somehow, but I don't have any like white like eyeliner that's, you know, precise or anything, but I did purple and it's kind of crappy, but it's okay. And so this is what I came up with. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please continue watching. Okay guys, so let's just jump right into this. Sorry that like I'm kind of glowy. I don't know. And I went ahead and did my eyebrows as always, and I kind of played around and did this eye. And I was wanting to try to incorporate like hearts, but I don't have like a little like eyeliner or like a liquid eyeliner to do it, or I don't have a white eyeliner. I was kind of wanting to do white and make like hearts like right in like the crease or something, but I don't know. I thought about making one here, but that's when I get done with all my makeup and everything, and then do more or add more to my eye. But anyway, yeah. I went ahead and did my eyebrows as always. I used the LA Colors Browy Wowie pencil and the Maybelline Brow Drama. I've used that forever, so yeah. Anyway, let's get started on the other eye. I'm just going to take the Fit Me Maybelline concealer and put that everywhere. Of course, guys, it's freaking like rainy and crappy outside, and I debated on doing a Valentine's Day look because I did last year, but I actually ended up deleting it just like today because I didn't really like how, I don't know, it was or something. And I did a anti-Valentine's Day look last year, so after this video, go and check that one out. It's somewhere down through my videos. But yeah. Next, I'm going to take the Kylie Jenner palette, the purple palette. And honestly, I mean, I don't know if this palette's real, but I have it anyways. And I'm going to take this pretty like kind of really dark, but not like dark purple, and I think it's in, that can't be lilac, it has to be turning violet, because this one's more like a lilac. Like I said, this palette probably isn't real, I don't know, but it's okay. And we're gonna just blend that and kind of like flicker that out and like cut it as well, and just keep blending all that in and keep building that color up. Okay guys, so I think that might be dried enough and I kind of cleaned it up. Now I'm going to take the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, which I love and it smells so freaking good. And I want to take the shade Rolling in the Dough, and it's just like a kind of like a cream like color, and just pat all that all over. I think it's good enough. Next, I am going to take the Profusion Bling It On glitter eyeliner, and I love this. This is Crystal Diamond, and also have the gold one in the shade Gold Rush, and they have a rose gold one, which I have not tried yet, and I'm about freaking out of this, I think. Now I'm just going to, what would you call it, like out on that. Can you see? have a mirror here, so. No. I swear, I suck at doing stuff on camera. Lord of mercy. Click on it. Why? Well, you get the gist of it. I want to go and try to finish this. I think that's kind of good enough. Now I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in Electric Purple. And it's honestly in telling how many years I've had this. But it's okay. And I'm going to try to do a wing. Try anyway. Which I'm going to clean up whatever that, you know. Good enough. That looks. I'll fix it. You kind of get the gist of this as well. It's a hot mess like me. So, I guess that's as good as that's going to get. I'm still not done with the eyes, but whenever I finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll kind of do more to it. So, yeah. But anyway, so moving on to primer, we're going to use the Catrice Prime and Fine Cosmetics. Guys, I'm honestly, I don't think even, kind of got too much. I don't think going anywhere today. Oh yeah, and please ignore that. I don't even know how I got that. I think I might have scratched myself when I was sleeping. I don't know. Because I woke up and there it was. Anyway. Oh yeah, so I don't think I'm probably going to go anywhere today. It's like crappy outside. But I figured I'd make this video. Because I haven't uploaded in like 2-3 weeks, something like that. So, I figured, just put it everywhere. So I figured I would today. That primer feels like real silicone-y, if that's a word. Anyway, guys, I know I am not the shade of what I'm about to show you, but I don't care. I want to be tan, okay, and I'm too lazy to do my tan lotion, and so I'm going to be tan. And this is the Flower Light Illusion Foundation, one by Drew Barrymore. I'm going to turn into a freaking different person. Oh my god. Turning into freaking Ariana Grande. No shade to her because I love her, but yeah. That didn't make a difference at all. Oh gosh. This shade, by the way, is, where's it at? Classic Tan. Which I am not tan. But we're going to make myself anyway. Definitely gives off that luminous like dewy look. Okay, I kind of look like an Oompa Loompa. Well, half of a Oompa Loompa. Oompa Loompas are really like pale, but they want to be orange instead, like me. So this foundation, or this shade, is pulling off a lot of like orange like tones or whatever. I kind of remind myself of like them British girls with the bad like really orange spray tans. But I'm hoping that it'll all come together and look good when I'm done. Oh, I used the 16-hour e.l.f. Camo Concealer, which I love, and this is in the shade Medium Sand. I'm blending that out. Just kind of put it everywhere. Hopefully it'll turn out. Next, I want to use this Revlon Bronze Glow bronzer that I think is a few years old, but it's okay. Just do that. And I'm also gonna use this LA Colors bronzer in Beach Babe. And I'm just gonna use that for my forehead. Like this big old fluffy brush. Kind of put it everywhere. And kind of just blend it out. So for baking, I'm just using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus translucent powder. I don't necessarily like bake. I just let it sit for like a few seconds and then I wipe it away. Like so. So for highlight, I'm just using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Loose Highlighting Powder. Like the Zodiac collection one. And I love this, but if you don't like glitter, you will not like this. And if you don't love blinding highlighters, then you will not. Because this won't be for you. I know it don't look like that I put anything there. I don't know if you could tell. But I did. And I also put it as a nose highlight and inner corner highlight. I'm debating on, I don't know, I kind of want to draw like a little heart on like my inner corners, but I don't know. I don't know if you can tell, but it's blinding. Anyway, now I'm going to go throw on some false lashes and I'll be back. Well guys, my hearts kind of look like crap, but it's okay. And now I'm going to take the Maybelline New York, the Bossie's Lash Lift Mascara. This is new. And I actually really like it. And I'm sorry that I don't know the name of these Bossies. I just have them laying around and yeah. I'm sorry. I'm so professional. Now I'm going to take the Believe Beauty like lip gloss in Ethereal. Something like that. I don't know if you could even see that. It's a really pretty nude shimmer gloss. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I think it overall turned out pretty good. I mean, it's cute. It's pretty. Like my earrings. Anyway, so thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one.